Alright, hey everybody, welcome back to Saginaw Farms. If you're new to the channel, my name is Jake. We live on a twin figure hobby farm down here in southeastern Pennsylvania. And in this video, we are going to be taking most of the stuff, most of the accessories and stuff off my 1953 Farmall Cub. I'm sorry this video kind of just starts with me taking off the generator. I lost some of the footage from this video, so I know I had more of me taking some of the stuff off, but there's kind of just two clips, and it jumps to me taking the head for the engine off. So sorry I lost some of the footage. I don't know where it went, but hope you enjoy this video, and hopefully next week's, it might be in like 2 weeks from this video, you'll see us splitting apart the tractor and taking the engine down to the machine shop. So hope you enjoy this video. Alright, so I just got it's a couple days, probably about a week or two later, but I got this generator off. So that was off here. I think next I'll try to take that air cleaner off. Alright, so it left a day or two. I took the carburetor off. I'm about to take the manifold here off. I took the generator mounting bracket that was holding this voltage regulator on. So I took that off. That was right here. So next I'm gonna take this manifold off. Then find a way to drop the coolant. We'll take this neck off. We'll take the radiator off. Then the fan assembly. Then we'll probably get to the electronics here. Or maybe we'll do the spark system before we do the radiator and fan assembly. But, oh yeah, I also took the starter off. Put a piece of cardboard over that, so nothing could get in there. I wrapped up this so nothing could get in here. But the Bendix gear, I mean, it's a little worn. I'll send this out to get rebuilt, along with the generator here. And this is a 6-volt system, so it's a little different. Alright, so we just pulled the spark plugs out, and just gotta take off all these bolts. You start in the middle, and you slowly go out. And we'll just crack them loose, and then we'll go through and take them the rest of the way out. So let me find the tripod, and I'll set you up somewhere. Got it. Alright, so I just cracked off the first one to make sure this would work. I got the breaker bar here, the 9/16 socket. And we're just kind of tapping them until they start to move. It's moving. I've been soaking these down for a couple weeks now with penetrating oil. Does that do anything, or is that a bolt? It starts to hurt the hand after a while.
Need to go.
Alright, so we've been having troubles with this one. It does not break free. I will demonstrate. The whole tractor just moves. But we have gotten this middle one broken free, this one broken free, and this one broken free. So I'm gonna move this one right here, and we'll try to get back to this one. See if I can get in here. one's pretty stuck. Yeah.
Under intake port.
Oh.
Just go through all the other ones.
Yep. Yep. Might have to tighten up the middle one so it takes less pressure off of this one here. Hey, that one loosened up without any popping and cracking noises. I have no idea this engine's ever been rebuilt before, so. Alright, we just got this to break loose, whether it broke or it just broke loose of its rust. That's a half a turn on that bolt. So I'm going to loosen this one back up. Alright. Now I'll work on the rest of the stuff. Got that one. That one. I think I need to get this one. Alright, so that is all the head bolts loosened up. I'll turn the camera off and try to pull them the rest of the way out. Alright, so take you off the tripod here. We just took all the head bolts out except that one and this one, because I'm pretty sure that one's thread stripped out, and that one too. And these threads are horrible. I have no idea how they even screwed out of their holes. Like, look at this one. Here's out of focus. You can't even see the threads. I don't know what it screwed out of, but I'm pretty sure these two, their threads just stripped out, and
I think this one is coming up.
there's just nothing left. It's actually gonna try to see if that will. Oh, that one did come up.
There we go.
It's pretty bad. Oh, it came up some.
That
And
one
it
sheared.
broke.
That one was sheared.
That one broke. I'm not surprised.
That one was really, really stuck. And as Jake stated before, all the water probably pulled up in there and went right down.
Well, we're gonna label these, and we're gonna pull this head off. So, all right, we got all the bolts taken out. We're gonna take and tap this. Here, I'll
Yeah, keep it outside.
oh,
Let's try and wiggle this off. Hey, whoa, whoa.
alright.
It's right there. There we go. Oh.
Dang, that's pretty bad.
Oh, yeah, Jake, get him in here closer.
There are quite a few chunkies.
That's pretty bad.
Head gasket. Oh, there's the broken bolt. You can see that.
We're gonna put this.
Head. Let me make a spot for that. Here is the head. It is pretty bad. It's got a lot of carbon buildup and stuff.
Oh, I should not be able to touch this and chunks just go everywhere.
Here's the head gasket, or what's left of it.
This is...
There's the powder of the bolt that broke off.
There's actual chunks that I can hold of carbon buildup. No, it's just burnt.
Yeah, but look how much gunk is underneath that valve.
And that seat preventing it from properly doing its job. Oh my.